Alright, y'all, the old axle's pulled. Everything's out. Not sure. Ooh. That's what it looks like as of today. The other axle's in the house, but I'm waiting on the wheel bearing. It'll be here tomorrow. And then I have castle nuts coming. They'll be here this weekend. And I think I'm gonna order a new skid cover or whatever you would call this right here, because this one's bubbled right there from where I was. That's why it messed up, because that wheel bearing right there. But that one's messed up, so I'm gonna just order a new one. Play it safe, ain't taking no risk of it breaking in. And I want to let that drain. I'm gonna change the fluids on it when I get everything put back together. But we chilling now. It should be fixed soon. That's what we got done today. About 30 minutes of work, wasn't bad at all. Got the brake pulled off right now. I gotta clean up, but yeah, she should be back right. Finna put a setup on here again and get what's up, y'all. We bringing this piece of crap back to life. I just gotta figure out how to take this axle out and put a new one in. And I gotta get a socket big enough for that castle nut right there. But I'm trying, you know. We hopefully get it back right this week. Supposed to go buy some tires for it this week as well. All right, y'all, we done secured the bag. Some Outlaw 2s, 29 in the house. On some M12 diesels. They pretty tight. All skinnies. Me and Dyson are running got them.
That's the ball.
No, the front one's got good cherry though. Well, all of them except that one really. They're pretty tight. Oh, yeah, we just got home. It's 11. I got work in the morning, so I'm finna call it a night. Now I'm just gonna show y'all these before we put them on. Still waiting on some parts for the four-wheeler, but it's gonna be back right soon. I'm gonna pressure wash them when they're on the four-wheeler, and I'm gonna pressure wash the whole four-wheeler. I like them valve seams. Oh boy, feel that. Feel how pointy that is.
I know, I felt it when he said something.
That's wild.
He said he backed up on it or something.
Oh, yeah, I like that. Oh, I got the wheel hub on it right on this side. And that on the axle cover, oh that's right. I just gotta wait on the castle nut and get that on a little better, and then I'm gonna screw it on for this side of the wheel hub. I traded them Outlaws I showed y'all. I know I ain't even put them on or have them on, but I traded them today for these Assassinators. They pretty bad. I fought with them. So yeah. Alright y'all, it's rolling away from me, but I rinsed it off a little bit. It look a lot better, but that's it. I'll probably make a riding video sometime soon or something like that. I gotta find my GoPro and get that right. But yeah, it look good. Alright, y'all, everything's done. I'm finna wash it. I'll show y'all what it looks like after I wash it, but she's back. Is you mad? We all back right. It's running good. Got the sassies on. We ready to go.